Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ford Explorer Sport. 2017 Ford Explorer Sport, power meets luxury, drive the extraordinary. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 131,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the 2017 Ford Explorer Sport. Powered by a 3.5L EcoBoost twin-turbo V6 engine delivering 365 HP and 350 pound-feet of torque, this SUV dominates the road. Equipped with 20-inch wheels, LED lights, a rear-view camera, power liftgate, and ebony black leather interior with heated/cooled front seats, it's luxury on wheels. Plus, the 12-speaker Sony audio system will have you rocking out everywhere you go. The sleek Ingot Silver exterior turns heads, while the 16 mpg city/22 mpg highway keeps you cruising. In excellent condition with a clean Carfax, come take this beauty for a spin. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.